Cooking time!
Happy healthy cooking, everyone! Guys, I'm sharing with you my own version of ginataang kalabasa with malunggay and shrimp. Here's the ingredients, guys. Ayan ang gagamitin nating mga ingredients. So, iisa-isahin ko yan, guys. Yung mga nakikita nyo ingredients na nasa screen nyo. So, ayan, guys. Napaka-easy recipe lang to, guys. At the same time, it's very delicious and healthy. So, ayan, guys. Isa-isahin na natin yung mga ingredients na nasa screen nyo. So, gagamit tayo dito ng garlic, white onion, and siling haba. And gagamit din tayo dito ng shrimp. Ayan ang ating shrimp. Make sure na linisin natin ang ating shrimp. Ayan, meron tayo ditong malunggay na very fresh. And meron tayo ditong kalabasa.